Good day everyone, and like always, welcome back to our channel. We love hot stuff. Today, like promised, I'm gonna do the solar flare for you guys. There you are. That's a solar flare. Um, I said last week it's gonna be me and Vanner or me and Renier or Vanner and Renier. But actually, I realized this is only a one player challenge, not a two-player challenge. So I'm gonna do this one alone for you, the solar flare. There you go. Also, I want to say thank you, all of you, everyone subscribing, all the new subscribers on my Facebook, on my TikTok, on my YouTube. I do appreciate all of you, and please subscribe, share my videos, like my videos, watch my videos, and please help me to make this channel a success and to make it grow. I have to say, this last couple of months, it's been going really nice, and I do appreciate all of you.